So at this point, we haven't talked about u substitutions in definite integrals, and we talked about u substitution a long time ago. It's not even clear that u substitution would help here, so that's kind of off the table. What we're going to try and do is do some algebraic things to this first so that we can anti-derive using the rules that we know. Okay, so the first thing is that, and you may have already done some of this, but the first thing is this dt in the numerator here. I'm just going to rewrite that as dt over here. There's no reason to have that in the numerator. It just makes it a little bit more confusing to read. The other thing I'm going to do is change the square root of t, to the 1/2 power. We haven't talked about anti-deriving square roots, and when we do, it is with rational exponents. So let's change this to t times t to the 1/2. All right, and then from there, we're going to make this t to the 1 times t to the 1/2. When we add the exponents there, we're going to get 1.5, or I guess it'd be 3/2. So we can actually write that as t to the negative 3/2, like that. Excuse me. So then, now at this point, we've got something that we can anti-derive, and then we can actually evaluate. So I'm going to add 1 to the power and divide by it. So when I add 1 to the power, I'm going to get t to the negative 1/2. And then I'm going to evaluate that, divided by negative 1/2. So that's the same as multiplying by negative 2. So I think I get that. We're going to evaluate it from 1 to 4. Questions so far? All right, so then we can just finish this out by plugging everything in and simplifying. So I'm going to have negative 2 times 4 to the negative 1/2. To the negative 1/2 minus negative 2, so careful here, negative 2 times 1 to the negative 1/2. I think that's it. Okay, and so then, all right, so I've got negative 2 times, this will be 1 over 4 to the 1/2, so 1 over the square root of 4, which is 2, so 1 over 2. So I'm thinking negative 1. Negative 2 times 1/2, so negative 1. And then this will end up being plus 2 times 1, so just plus 2. So I think it's just 1. Yeah, that's what they got in the answer book. So.